Okay, first thing I was going to do is I'm going to measure exactly where I'm going to put this. So make sure I've got plenty of space on both sides. I want to be able to open up the freezer so I can get to my frosted mugs. So, looking over here, I know that I have enough space right there, so I'm in good shape. Go ahead. Alright, I've already made my mark. I'm going to start off with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Right again.
He killed it.
Perfect. Hold right down there. On both sides. Okay. Okay, according to instructions, it says to drill on the inside with a 7/8 bit, or 7/8 inch hole saw. So here I go. Done. All right, now we've got the inside drilled out. Let's go ahead with the outside. There we go. We're through. Alright, now I'm going to press this shank all the way through and into the other side. Alright, and tighten it down. I don't want to tighten it up too much because I don't want to bow in on the plastic or the metal. Alright, and shank is in.
Good.
Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the tab on. Screw this on here. Use the wrench I supplied and tighten it up. Alright, there we go. And the tap is on. Okay, now I'm going to record. I'll show you how I'm going to put the hose on the back of the. So put this on here. All the way in. Bring up the clamp, grab the pliers and clamp it down. I may actually replace these at some point with better clamps, better metal clamps, hose clamps. Alright, and clamp down, alright. Next, this end onto the tap, which is I already have connected to the regulator. Just take the rubber washer on the inside and screw onto the tap. Alright. That part done. Take the tank, which I had filled up earlier today with CO2. Put the regulator on. Alright, tighten down. I can't find my better adjustable wrench, so I'm going to use a little bit larger. Okay. And let's make sure that. Alright, release. Okay, good. Shape. Back, and we are ready to tap. Alright, so pull that out. Put this bad boy in here. And this round. Twist. It's my first time. Twist until it stops. Alright. And we are tapped. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, now we need to turn this down a little bit. Release that. And I want to go for 10 to 12 psi. So I'll turn this. Bear with me, folks. This is new territory for me. Alright. 10, just over 10 psi. I'm going to leave it at that for now because I don't want anything super fast. Lock down the safety. And we're good to go. Alright.
Get one of your beer mugs.
Alright, and now, the fun part. Everything should be together. I'll grab one of my frosted mugs. And let's see how she goes. Ah, look at that. A little foamy, coming a little fast. So I'll have to adjust it. But there we go. Ready to go. Thank you very much.